कैसे हो आप लोग? हाउ आर यू? कैसा चल रहा है? हाउ यू फीलिंग? आर यू ओके? कैन आई डू एनीथिंग फॉर यू? Yes, this is all we want to listen. This is all we want to hear. That somebody, give kindness to us. Somebody care about it. Hi, this is Garima and welcome to my channel, Alive Girl Garima. And yes, today's topic is very sensitive and very important. Is about mental health. Yes. And I know, guys, it's not an easy topic to talk about. I know that. And though I want to talk about because I am feeling so many things and I have observed so many things in these 3 months and which I want to share with you guys. And अगर इस चीज़ से किसी एक को भी हेल्प मिलती है सो आई विल बी ग्लैड अबाउट इट. आई विल बी ग्लैड अबाउट इट कि अगर आपके लाइफ में इतना भी फ़र्क आ रहा है ये देख के तो आई विल बी ग्लैड अबाउट इट. उससे पहले मैं आपको व्यू दिखाती हूँ अपना. मेरा व्यू देखो मेरे घर का. जस्ट अ सेकेंड, कहाँ से करना है? जस्ट लुक एट द व्यू ऑफ माई होम. सो दिस व्यू मेक माई मेंटल हेल्थ गुड. एक्चुअली कितना ब्यूटीफुल है. सो आपका मेंटल हेल्थ एक अच्छा व्यू भी अच्छा कर सकता है. जस्ट किडिंग. या बट इट्स ट्रू. सो आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट द मेंटल हेल्थ and why I want to talk about, because in my surrounding, in my where I live and people I am with and friends I am having, I am feeling this is the topic I should talk about. Everybody takes this topic in a different perspective, and for me, guys, it's like I have in my surrounding I am seeing people being alone, away from their family, losing their jobs and suffering from depression, anxiety, anger, and low self-esteem, low confidence, low self-image. They are doubting their selves. Then third, there are housewives which are having so much extra work now in the lockdown because everybody at their home, so they are going through so many things also. So, and when in this situation, people being mean to you, people being rude to you, people being bullying you, people pulling your legs, you feel so bad about it. And I feel like there should be a change in the mindset of people. People should understand the gravity of situation, what exactly we are going through. Your life is good, you are lucky, like you are not suffering through anything and your family is supporting, you have a good job, you have a good people around you. But no, everybody is not lucky like you. So be kind to people and try to understand what exactly they are going through. If you are not able to understand, at least don't disgrace their small moves, anything they do, because you don't know their story, you don't know what they are going through, so you don't have any right to comment on it. I want to say to the people who are suffering like this, don't lose hope. Don't lose it, because there is always a hope. There is always a morning after a night. This shall pass. I'm damn sure this shall pass, but this time you need courage. You need no, don't let anybody tell you what to do or not to do, what you can do, you cannot do. You only have to decide what you can do and what you cannot do. People will gonna tell, people gonna give their verdict, people gonna give their opinion and suggestion. Who are your well-wisher? Obviously respect them and take their suggestion, and whatever you feel right for yourself, because you only know what you are going through, nobody else. According to their experience, according to their knowledge, they are going to suggest you something. It might be helpful for you, it might not be helpful for you. So I'm lucky and I have a good partner, doesn't mean everybody is happy in their life. In this video, I'm gonna talk about, instead of having all the shits in your life and instead of having dull moments in your life and instead of having so many things that you're not happy about, you just have to be, trust yourself, have faith in yourself, have faith in your life, for which thing you're born for, and don't give up. So I'll start about the things you should take into consideration and just think about this topic which I will gonna talk about. And I know it's not easy to handle. You must be thinking, yeah, it's very easy to make a video on this, ask us who is going through it. I know that maybe so many things I don't know, मुझे नहीं पता आप लोग किस चीज़ से गुजर रहे हो, कुछ पता है कुछ नहीं भी पता है, बट फ्रॉम माई परस्पेक्टिव जितना मैं आपको बोल सकती हूँ, आई हैव ऑल्सो गॉन थ्रू सो मैनी थिंग्स, बट आई एम डूइंग अ बिट to make my life better. So if I can do it, you can also do it. You just cannot just crib about the things you cannot control. You can do something which you can control. So according to my experience, according to my life experience, I just want to share with you what you can do in these kind of situations. First, stay away from toxic people. Yes, this is the most important thing. See, मुझे पता है, like whenever you will going to start something new and you want to do something in your life, if you want to do something extraordinary and people gonna give their comment on it, people gonna tell you you cannot do this, this is not right, this is not wrong. But I don't think so you should take these things very seriously. Ignorance is the best. If you think people don't deserve your attention and your feedback, don't give it. Stay away from toxic people. कुछ लोग ऐसे भी होते हैं, they pretend like they really care about you, like anything. They pretend like they're their best friend and they're your well wisher and nobody can think good about you other than them. और जब टाइम आता है, they are the first who bully you, who give bad comments about you, who make you feel so low, and they make you feel how disgusted you are. And I'm telling you guys, just laugh at the situation. Trust me, laugh at the situation, because they don't matter. They don't matter to you. What matter to you? Your family who always supported you, your some friends who really care about you, and your yourself. First, you put yourself up in the first position. Give priority to yourself, because जितना आप अपने आप को जानते हो ना, nobody can know you. Nobody can know you. You know your experiences, you know yourself, what you have gone through, good or bad, and you know that you can do it. You can do it. You will pass from it. गुड एंड बैड सिचुएशन. मैं ऐसा नहीं बोलूँगी कि मेरे लाइफ में कभी प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं आई. मेरे लाइफ में बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स आई हैं कभी कभी, एंड आई हैव टेकन इट वेरी courageously. मैं अपनी कोई बड़ाई नहीं कर रही हूँ, and I got it from my father. My father always told me, whatever the situation it is, bad, good, worst, your willpower, your courage, your positive attitude that I am gonna get out of this will gonna make you a winner. और winner मतलब नहीं होता है कि you being successful मतलब क्या होता है successful मतलब होता है कि you being happy, you being peaceful, you being happy with the people you love, you have good friends, you have good colleagues, you have good family members, you have small. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रेंड सर्कल बनाने की. जस्ट अगर आपके 2 फ्रेंड्स भी है ना, बहुत है. बट the friends should be quality friends, not just like a friends. पता है, मैंने ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग देखे हैं जो बोलते हैं I'm with you, I'll be always there for you, you're my very good friend, and this and that, and the time comes they never with you. So yeah, I know ऐसे लोग हर किसी की लाइफ में होते हैं. They give you a fake love, fake advice and fake care, but from the inside they don't want you to succeed, they don't want you to happy. They always compare your happiness with their happiness. They compare your things which you buy with their things. They always being very competitive and jealous about your things. This is not the things, this is a fact. This is not the negative thinking I'm talking about. It's a fact that everybody does. So the second point is, do the things you always wanted to do. For example, I always wanted to do this YouTube channel, but I never did. Now I got the time started it. Trust me, guys, I was very nervous how I will do it, and how I'll be in front of camera, how I'll be talking to a mobile or a camera, and how people will think about me, how I'll edit, how I'll do small things, so many things. But I started and I did it. I did it. So if I can do it, you obviously can do it. Do anything, like you can start to learn singing, start to learn guitar, and read a novel, or start cooking, or start learning painting, or many things. Spend time with your family. So any course you want to do, any program you wanted to do, I want to say that maybe you lost something, maybe your job, your family is not there, you are alone, you don't know what to do, but get up and do what exactly you wanted to do from long time, and you never got the time. It may be anything, but you know what you want to do. So just think and just start doing it. And third point is exercise. Yes, exercise and yoga. Do it, guys. I'm telling you. You think maybe एक laziest person भी जो मेरा वीडियो देख रहा होगा, I am just requesting, just do it. It's not that I am a health freak and I am a yogist, that's why I'm saying it, but I have experienced it. It is making a difference. It is making a difference. It's not about losing weight. It's about your health. It includes your mind, it includes your heart, it includes your body, everything it includes. So start doing exercise, start doing yoga, start doing meditation. A 2-minute and 5-minute meditation can help you. And I know जब आप meditation start करने लगोगे तो you will your mind will be at so many places. I'm not saying that the first time pe you will be like a good meditator or yogist, but start doing it, research about it, start कैसे meditation करते हैं, just search in YouTube and just start making an effort for your body, and it will make a difference. जब आप योगा करते हो, जब आप exercise करते हो ना, you get a kind of very light and calm feeling that I felt. So that's why the third point is exercising. You must do exercise, which is for your mind, soul, heart, body. It is for everything, and it really makes a difference, and you feel you have done something for yourself, and you will start loving yourself. And the next point is very important. Stop comparing your life with others. Stop comparing it, because your life perspective is different, your principles, your morals, your standard of living, everything is different from the other person. Maybe जितना आपके पास है आप उतना ही करोगे यार. I have seen people comparing their life with others, like उसके पास गाड़ी है तो अपने पास भी होनी चाहिए, and you are like अपने घर में आप अपने आप को इतना स्ट्रेस में डाल देते हो, and you're making your life so miserable seeing those people, other people, like if he is spending on or she is spending on this much, I will spend on this much. अरे भाई मेरे पास जितना होगा मैं उतना ही खर्चा करने वाली हूँ. I will not do जो मेरे कंट्रोल में नहीं है, जितनी मेरी लिमिट है मैं उतना ही करूँगी, and I want, and इतना करने में you should be happy. Why to compare your life with others यार? Maybe your life is so much better than them in many things. Then your life can be very good, but you are not able to understand that thing. You are just seeing other person and seeing like okay, उसके पास गाड़ी है, उसके पास बहुत पैसा है, उसका हस्बैंड बहुत अच्छा है, उसकी वाइफ बहुत अच्छी है, my life is nothing. Why यार? तुम्हारी लाइफ में बहुत ऐसी चीजें होंगी जो तुम उसको ऑब्जर्व ही नहीं कर रहे हो कि क्या तुम्हारे पास है, and you are just seeing the other person who is having this and that, and maybe the person to whom you are looking, he must be looking at you and seeing कि यार तुम कितनी अच्छी हो, कितनी अच्छे जगह पे हो, and आप लोग कितनी अच्छी सिचुएशन में हो. So you don't know about things. So stop comparing your life with others, because it will only gonna give you insecurity, jealousy, nothing else it can give you. So I'm not saying कि दूसरों की लाइफ से कुछ सीखो मत. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग दैट stop comparing and being very much competitive about everything. If you're learning something from another person which is doing and which is you really like about it, and you're learning something and you are getting influenced by something, that is the other thing. But that is the other thing when you are comparing your things with other, you are being very competitive about that things. Like there's two kind of people, trust me. For example, I am having this cup. Okay, this cup. Now it is very beautiful. I know. I know it's beautiful. The first person will tell me like, "Yeah, Garima, your cup is so beautiful. It's so good, and I really loved your cup. I will also." You tell me now from where you bought it. Maybe I also get it. I'm so happy for you, and your cup is so good, and you're looking so good in this. So that's a positive thinking. Now I'll tell you about the negative thinker. Now the negative thinker, he will not going to say to you anything like you're looking good or bad or something like that. He will go to his or her home and he'll tell to loved ones or to himself, and he'll buy that cup, and next day he'll show you, this is mine. So this is the things. See, getting influenced by somebody, getting inspired by somebody, learning from somebody is not a bad thing. But being competitive, being insecure, being jealous of somebody's stuff is a bad thing, and stop doing that. I have just one question. हम दूसरे की खुशी से खुद खुश क्यों नहीं हो सकते? Why we need to always compare our things with others? यार, जो चीज मेरे में नहीं है ना, वो किसी में हो सकती है. मैं किसी और से सीख सकती हूँ. Everybody is having their own individuality and their strength and weaknesses. जो मेरी weaknesses हैं वो किसी की strength हो सकती हैं, और जो मेरी strength है वो किसी की weaknesses हो सकती हैं. तो why to compare your life with others and make it complicated? Why can't you take this thing in a very positive way and just like be happy for others? Is it so hard to do it? And I am feeling it, yaar. I am feeling it. People nowadays is so mean sometimes, like they think only about themselves. See, being selfish is not a bad thing, but only selfish about everything, it's a bad thing. Being selfish for something in जिसमें किसी को harm नहीं है, I am not saying कि it's a bad thing, but you only think about yourself instead of your family, instead of the society, instead of everything. You just want your happiness. So dude, you're going in a wrong direction, I'm telling you. So I just want to tell you कि be kind to people. Give love, spread love. If something you see good, just appreciate it. Just tell that, yeah, it's so good, it's so nice, it's so cool, and I love it. क्या हो जाएगा? He or she will feel good about himself or herself. क्या गलत कर दिया आपने? It's a good thing, no? So why to take so much of thinking of appreciating anybody? So I just want to say, you appreciate each other, and being kind to each other is the best thing you can do. And the last thing is about willpower. Yes. And this I have actually applied in my life, and actually I am following this thing in my life because of my father. My father always says that ki whatever happens to you, always think there are people who are suffering more than you. मुझे कुछ भी कभी भी होता है, it's like I am friend से झगड़ा हो गया, somebody cheated on me, or I have got bluffed by someone, and maybe somebody said bad things about me and I cried. My father always say that ki that these are the very small things you are craving about. there are so many things in about you should happy about. मेरे पापा बोलते हैं कि there are people, there are soldiers in the borders. They are बर्फ में, जंगल में, कहाँ they are doing what. They are suffering a lot than you. I know my father is from defense, so he is having that kind of discipline and that kind of feeling towards the nation. But I think he's right, yaar. We are sitting in our bed and home and cribbing about so many things that we are not able to go out, and this lockdown and that lockdown. We are so bored in the house and this and that. But guys, there are so many people who are working for you. Earlier it was soldiers, now it's doctors and nurses. Just respect them. I have gone through hell also, I have gone through heaven also. And in the hell situation, you know, जब सिचुएशन एकदम खराब हो जाए एंड यू डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू, दिस विल पावर, व्हाट इज विल पावर? योर आत्मविश्वास, आपको जो आत्मविश्वास है दैट ओके आई विल पास थ्रू इट, दिस इज नथिंग, आई विल गेट अप एंड डू व्हाट आई वांट टू डू, व्हाटएवर हैपेंस इट विल पास. Things that actually had helped me, I never given up, and you should also never give up. It's like whatever the situation comes in your bucket, just don't give up. Don't give up on the situations. People will say what they want to say, people will think what their mentality is, but you gonna do, and you gonna do what you want to do. And I would say that ki always trust in your abilities, and trust in your capabilities. Don't let anyone say that you can't do anything. So this is all I wanted to say, guys. Like, whatever may it be, don't give up. If your life is going through hell, it's okay. It's okay. This is not the end of the world. It's not the end of your life. It's nothing. It shall pass, and the rainbows will come into your life. But you need to have patience and trust your life, trust your family, trust yourself first, and do the things which makes you happy. A small thing, making a coffee for yourself is also, एक कॉफी मेरे को अच्छा फील करा सकती है. तो एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट टू डू एंड मेक्स यू फील हैप्पी, डू इट. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू कन्वे माय perspective about this topic, because I am seeing so many people suffering from so many of things like anxiety, depression, anger, confusion, ambiguity, so many things they are going through, and I thought I should make a video on this. It doesn't mean I am not going through anything. I am also going through it, but at the end of the day, I think no, I cannot think like that. I'm not this. I cannot do that. So you can also do that. I am doing a bit to make my life better. You can also do it. So don't give up. Don't let anybody tell you what to do, what not to do. You are the owner of your life, and you will ride your life, nobody else. So bye, and I will come again with some other session on life therapy. I hope you guys like it, and please share your feedback on this. And if intentionally or unintentionally I have hurted somebody, I'm sorry about it, but this is what I feel about this topic. And share your views, and I really want to know what exactly you're thinking about this topic, and maybe I can learn so many things from you. So just share your views on the comments, and please let me know what you feel about this topic and what's going on, how are you. Just stay calm, stay kind, stay happy, stay alive, and be kind to each other. That's I really want to say. Bye bye.